Welcome back to WBTV News 3 at noon. I'm joined by a very special guest today. This is Simone McDowell, who's here to talk about the Black and White Gala to benefit the Mint Museum. Welcome. Good to have you on.
Thank you.
Tell us about this wonderful event you guys are putting on.
Well, this is the 9th year that we've done it. It actually benefits the Mint Museum's Project Fundamental.
Okay.
And it goes towards education, community outreach, scholarships, and the like.
Fantastic.
So we're very excited about it.
So what kind of activities will you have there at the gala?
We'll have a live band. Actually, included in your ticket price, there'll be food and drinks as well, and we'll also have a silent auction.
We're showing some video from the event, and I mean, this is a black tie affair. We're asking everybody to dress in black and white,
exactly.
right? Type thing.
Going towards with the theme, and it's actually, you know, a very fun date, 11/11/11. So, you know, it doesn't come around twice, so we want everyone to come out and make it memorable.
Yeah, excellent. That was a good way to put it. Now, talk about if somebody's not familiar with what the Mint Museum is all about.
Well, the Mint Museum, if you haven't visited yet, it's a beautiful facility uptown. We actually have 2 locations, one on Randolph as well. But it's beautiful. We actually have the Romare Bearden exhibit taking place now, and there's a lot of other permanent exhibitions as well. So we definitely encourage everyone to come out. As a part of that evening, we will have gallery tours as well. So if you haven't checked it out beforehand, you can do it that night as well.
You can walk through the museum and check it out then. Now, tickets are $90.
95 for members,
95 for members.
70 for, I'm sorry, 70 for members and 95 for non-members.
That's right. That's right.
And you actually can purchase your tickets online at blackandwhitegala.com. And we don't sell tickets at the door, so we do encourage you to get them in advance.
All right, so November 11th is the date. November 11th from 7 to 11 p.m. Again, the Black and White Gala. It sounds like it's going to be a fantastic event. And it's for a wonderful cause as well, which is ultimately the goal there. So nice to have you on, Simone.
Thank you for having me.
All right, let's go over to Kelly now, who's going to have a final look at your forecast.
Beautiful.